Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel VK Classes. We are going to study passing package of class 10th science 4th lesson carbon and its compounds. So let us begin with question number 7. Draw the electronic dot structures for ethanoic acid, hydrogen sulfide, propanone, iron, carbon tetrachloride and carbon dioxide. These are the molecular formulas asked with many times frequently in the board examinations with their electronic dot structure. So let us see first ethanoic acid. General formula of ethanoic acid is CH3COOH. So next hydrogen sulfide. One sulfur connected with two atoms of hydrogen. Here propanone. General formula is CH3CH3CO. It means propane connected with cation propanone. It become practice the electronic dot structure of this one also. Here the iron, where iron atomic number is 26, it ends with 4s2. These pair of electrons makes a covalent bond in between iron atoms, forms F2. Next carbon dioxide. Two oxygen atoms get connect with one carbon, forms carbon dioxide. Last carbon tetrachloride. One carbon get connected with four chlorine atoms of its outermost orbit of tetravalency carbon. So do practice these electronic dot structures. Question number 9. Write the molecular formula and structural formula of methane, ethane, propane and butane. These are name of alkane group of formulas. Let us see in table name of alkane, molecular formula of alkane group and structural formula of this alkane group. So first one, the first methane, its molecular formula is CH4 and one single carbon get connected with four hydrogen atom forms structural formula of CH4. Similarly ethane, ethane molecular formula is C2H6 and C and C connected with single bond and arranged 6 hydrogen atoms. It is the structural formula of ethane. Propane general formula is C3H8 and here it is the molecular formula C3H8. Next butane, molecular formula is C4H10. The four carbons are connected with 10 hydrogen atoms here. Question number 10. Write the molecular formula and structural formula of ethene, propene, butene. The name of alkene group, molecular formula and its structural formula. Ethene C2H4. Here alkene groups are made by double bond in between carbon to carbon. So C2H4 is its structural formula. Next propene C3H6. One carbon must have a double bond in between, so C3H6 is its structural formula. Butene C4H8. Here carbon connected with 4 and one is having double bond here and they are arranged 8 hydrogen atoms. It is the structural formula of butene. Question number 11. What is a homologous series? Explain with an example. A series of similarly constituted compounds in which the members are present have the same functional group and similar chemical properties, and any two successive members in the particular series differ by just CH2 in it. Such are called homologous series. Example students, alkane series. Alkane series general formula is CnH2n plus 2. So let us see the particular homologous series of alkane group. First one CH4 methane, where it is differed by CH2 group. Next compound forms C2H6 and the third one is C3H8. Here you can minus T3, T2 or T1. You can minus with T3 minus T2, you will get a common difference is CH2. So Such series are called homologous series. Next, question number 12. Write the structure of benzene and cyclohexane. Here, the carbon are made a closed structure under catenation process, and each one are shared with hydrogen atom. Cyclohexane becomes C6H12, whereas benzene C6H6, because here the closed ring of aromatic hydrocarbon brings alternative bonds, one single bond, another one is double bond in between the carbon atoms and shared with one hydrogen where benzene forms. Practice these structures of benzene and cyclohexane. Question number 13. Write the uses of acetic acid. Uses of acetic acid are: it is used as preservative in pickles, and it is used in synthesizing of esters. Hope you know acetic acid is also commonly called vinegar. Question number 14. What are isomers? Give example. Carbon compounds having same molecular formula but different in structural formula are called isomers. See the example given in this box, that is straight chain structure of butane, where a branched chain structure of butene. Here the chain structure is there, here branched structure is there. So same molecular formula C4H10, C4H10. Molecular formula remains same but both are different in structure. Hence these are called isomers. Question number 15. What is functional group? Name the different functional groups. It is also very important question, students. Functional groups may be depend an atom or group of atoms, which makes a carbon compound or organic compound reactive and decide its properties regardless of the length and nature of carbon chain. Here the few examples of functional group are there, students. First one, heteroatom, chlorine, bromine, oxygen are their class of compound. The first one, where the compound forms with chlorine or bromine, are called holo functional groups, are called alkane, holo alkane. The formula of functional group ends with substitutes for hydrogen atom. One hydrogen atom substitutes and there takes place of either chlorine or bromine. They makes holo alkane group of functional groups. Next, oxygen compound, students. The first one, alcohol. Alcohol functional group is OH. Second, aldehyde. Aldehyde functional group is COH. Next, keton. Keton makes CO only. Whereas fourth one, carboxylic acid, it is COOH. These functional group substitute one hydrogen atom and brings all the properties in carbon compounds and makes functionally different. Hence are called functional groups. Question number 16. List the uses of ethanol. Ethanol are used in alcoholic drinks and it is used in tincture iodine, where alcohol and iodine are mixed, students, where forms tincture iodine. It is used in the form of cough syrup and many other tonics. Alcohol is also used an additive to petrol since it is a cleaner fuel and gives only carbon dioxide and water on complete combustion. Question number 17. Name the following compounds. Let us observe the structural formula of these and name the compounds. Here this one, propanone, because propene substitute one hydrogen atom and there forms CO of keton group of functional group. So its structural formula names propanone. Whereas second one, its name is butanol because C4H10, one substitute hydrogen and there forms butanol. Here in the third, students, methanoic acid. It is also carboxylic acid of functional group COOH replaced by one hydrogen atom in methane. Question number 18. Name the following compounds. We should observe the structural formula and we need to name. Here the structural formula gives C3H10, but one hydrogen substituted and OH functional group, alcohol functional group replaced there, so its name is called propanol. Whereas second one, it is also propanoic acid because carboxylic acid has taken place in by substituting one hydrogen here. Whereas third students, chloropropane. Propane, one hydrogen atom substituted and their functional group came hollow group of chlorine. So its compound name is called chloropropane. Fourth one, here propanol, the propane converted and substituted by aldehydes and it converted into propanol. Propane converted with CH group, COOCH group. Fourth one, butanon. It means here also the butane converted and substituted hydrogen and cation group of CO taken place, hence its name called butanon.